Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the snipping tool. The snipping tool is discussed in your book on page 352. And apparently, it seems like Microsoft is putting this app on the death row. And it seems like Microsoft wants us to use a new product called Snip and Sketch. And that's on page 338. But the snipping tool still works just fine. The author of our book says, hey, if you want to learn more about this, he went and put most of the stuff about this tool in a PDF. So you go to their missing CD website and look up the PDF on snipping tool. I'm still using the snipping tool until I have to move to the Snip and Sketch application. Let's just go ahead and take a quick look at this tool. In fact, I use it so much, I put it as a shortcut on the desktop. So let's just launch it. Snipping tool right here. And here's the Snip and Sketch. That's the one they want us to use. So if you see here when we launch it, it says, hey, it's, we'll be moving to a new home. That doesn't sound too good, does it? So to start a new snip, you click on New. The different modes are free, rectangular, window, full screen. You can even do a delay. So this is pretty powerful. I don't know what the problem is. Options on this, you can have a variety of options as well. So I'm only asking you to learn a little bit more about this snipping tool since we've been using it already. So the task says, open the snipping tool and open help. Do a print screen. So the intention here is to learn where help is. Nowadays, it's just a little question mark. Before we used to go and do there used to be help, about help on the menu bar. So if you click on this, it'll, it opens up really, it opened up on another window because I have dual screens. It opens up on a web page, and it tells you all about it. The snipping tool, which is, so it seems like the help on this is online. So it goes and tells you all the different ways that you can capture the screen, free form, rectangular, window, which I just showed you, and how to open it. And it's been around since Windows 7, so I've been using this really quite a long time. On here. So not asking you for a whole lot on here, but you can learn a whole lot from help. It's just a matter of learning how to find it. So it just says open up help and do a print screen and call the file snipping tool help. So I'm going to go ahead and do print screen and go into Paint. And paste it. And then save it. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in, it's already set to go into the correct place. So this is called Snipping Tool Help. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And so not a whole lot that you can go ahead and at least demo one. We've been using this quite a lot. I'm going to go to New. Let's say I want you to do just the area of the recycle bin and this folder. If you click and drag this area and then release, there you have it. Now from here, I can go ahead and go to File, Save As, and just save it from there. A lot of my students just say, can I do it this way? Of course. I have a tendency of going to Paint because, I've used it too much, right? But in this particular technique, it works out just fine. I could then, navigate to my folder and save it right there, So, you really can't, it's really up to you. I'll never know, what technique you end up using. So that's really all there is that we need to know at this point in time, about this.